In a place in West Africa, communities are rising to restore their land. Local leaders share their vision as they plant trees, restore wetlands, and practice sustainable farming.
While we protest, we are equally concerned about our environment. And that's why I'm out today. For today, like you can see on my t-shirt, we are trying to save the earth. And we are telling them to cut the knitting of those trees so that we can save the earth in which we are protesting them. So that's very important for us. Thank you very much.
Environmental degradation is taking a toll on our land. Deforestation and soil erosion threatens our future. United in their efforts, communities lead restoration projects, attend workshops, and partner with environmental organizations. Their stories of resilience and hope inspires us all. From barren lands to thriving ecosystems, their hard work is paying off. Together, they are not just restoring their land, but they are restoring hope for sustainable future. Join us in supporting environmental restoration. Together, we can make a difference.